In this video, you will learn how to get EIN number for LLC in Wyoming. To get an EIN for a Wyoming LLC, first make sure your LLC is already formed, meaning your LLC name is approved, articles of organization are filed, and you have a registered agent. Then go to the IRS EIN application page, the official IRS site, free to use, and start the online application by clicking Apply Online Now and then Begin Application. Choose Limited Liability Company LLC, continue, and then enter how many members the LLC has and select Wyoming as the state along with the month and year the LLC was formed. Choose why you're applying, which for most people is started a new business. Enter the responsible party's information. This must be a real person, not a company, and usually it's you. If you have a social security number or ITIN, you'll enter it here. If you're foreign with no SSN, you'll need a different process. Enter your LLC's mailing address. It doesn't need to be in Wyoming. It can be your home, a virtual mailbox, or your registered agent's address if they allow mail. Enter your LLC's legal name, trade name, if any, the county, state, and the business activity by choosing the closest category the IRS provides. Select the option to receive your EIN confirmation letter online. The IRS will instantly generate a PDF called the CP 575. Download it immediately because they won't email it again later. If you're not a U.S. citizen and don't have an SSN or ITIN, you can't apply online. You'll need to fill out Form SS4, write foreign on line 7B, and call the IRS at +1 267 941 1099 to get your EIN over the phone.